on to next week. Flush this one. Flush this one.
Alright, so I'm on my way to go run 3 miles outside. Last Saturday I was able to run for a minute, walk for 2 minutes. This Wednesday when I was on the treadmill, I walked a minute and recovered a minute. So 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So, but it was a shorter duration. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm about to do, but I'm going to see how much I can increase my running because, like I said, it's going to be a while for me to get back up to just being able to run consecutively, but it's all good. I'm just so happy I can just go run. So just got through doing the stretch, and it's a beautiful day in Houston. It is literally 68 degrees outside. If you live in Houston, you already know, like, this is a gift. But, oh, do not worry, because it will be almost 90 degrees later on this afternoon. And we're actually going to a football game, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so phone is traded in, and I'm not one to jump on a new phone. I've had the 13 Pro for 4 years, so it's been 4 years. That's a lot of enough time. And quite honestly, until about a month ago, I wasn't even going to trade it in, but I dropped it, and then it cracked. So 4 years I've had the phone, no problems, it cracked. Then they were like, oh, we'll still give you $1,100 for it cracked. And I'm like, I'm not sure what is in the 13 Pro Max. I will say I've had a lot of phones in my life. That 13 Pro Max was the best phone I ever had. Ever. Like, never gave me any problems. Honestly, I will say there is a considerable difference between the camera in that 13 Pro and this camera. I'm filming with the front-facing camera. Got y'all kind of to the side. But that is immediately noticeable. And just the screen in general is just noticeable. So I feel like it was worth the upgrade. And then pretty much the phone's free. And the thing is, people will say, oh, but you have to stay with Verizon for 3 years. Baby, I've been with Verizon for like 11 years. I'm not going anywhere. So you're just gonna give me a free phone. And my plan's cheaper too. Crazy, but whatever. You know what's not the move? Adulting. Like, that's what's not the move. Like, I'm off today, and so I'm going to the dentist, and I'm on my husband's insurance. I have my own insurance, but my husband has better insurance, so I never use my insurance. So I don't know, they switch insurance people where he works, and so the dentist is like, you don't have insurance. And I'm like calling my husband, and I'm like, okay, did they change? Now keep in mind, I sit there and do my husband's benefits. He doesn't do it, he just gives me his information and I log in and do it. So I'm like, are you kidding me? So then I actually have my own insurance that I never use because his is just better. And it's like, then I have to call them, and I'm just like, I don't want to be doing this on like my day off, but I need my teeth clean. So I just adulting. And I'm thinking, like, dude, my daughter is an adult, but she just shows up at the dentist. She just shows up at the optometrist. She just shows up at the beauty shop. Like, there was a time in life where I didn't make appointments or have to figure out any of this. Now, granted, I've been grown probably since I was like 14, so it probably was like when I was 12, but I mean, good Lord. Ugh. So part of adulting is adulting. Like, oh God, it's so after all that fiasco with the dentist, they found all my insurance, got all that, so I went in and just had my teeth cleaned. Then the lady's like, hey, did you eat something crunchy or hard? I'm like, no. She's like, the very back of your tooth is chipped. And I'm like, what? So yeah, like the back of my tooth, like in front of my wisdom tooth was chipped. That was not enough though. Then she's like, you know, you really need to get your wisdom teeth pulled. I'm like, ma'am, I'm almost 50 years old. What do you mean I need to get my wisdom teeth pulled? She was like, you need to get your wisdom teeth pulled. So I need to get my wisdom teeth pulled. Like, are you kidding me? I went in there to get my teeth cleaned. And like, you proceed to tell me that my tooth in the very back is chipped, which she's like, oh, the good news is we can fill it. And then I need to get my wisdom teeth pulled. So I'm like, are you kidding me? So I'm going tomorrow on my day off to a consultation to get my wisdom teeth extracted. Like, are you kidding? Like, I'm just so like floored right now. And I was like, well, how long do I have to wait? And she's like, well, I wouldn't wait more than a few weeks. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, am I on candid camera right now? So I'm not getting my teeth cleaned, extracted, pulled before I go to homecoming. And I was off this week. I could have totally got them done this week. Like, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna let that mess up the vibes. So I bought myself a matcha to feel better.
Spot. Yeah, you feeling it too? I feel you. Let's go. 8 to 10, y'all.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to go and run my errands. And one of the things that I'm doing today, which is uncharacteristic, is usually if I take my camera somewhere, I take my Osmo Pocket 3. I'll put a picture of the Osmo Pocket 3 somewhere in this footage so you can see. The Osmo Pocket 3 is pretty tiny. Well, tiny-ish. It's discreet, but this is my actual full-size Sony EV1, which is actually a new camera that I got, which when I tell you I have zero regrets about this one, zero regrets. This is the camera I should have bought instead of the A6700, but the A6700 is a great camera, and I'm not going to sell it. But totally digressing. So I'm going to try to actually take the full-size camera, and the selfie kind of setup, which it's still not very big, and I'll show a picture of it or a video of it and vlog like that, like with the actual camera. You know, people that vlog, they always have these cameras and they're never like embarrassed or shamed. And so yeah, I'm not either. You can see the light, I have it on intelligent auto because I'm not messing with settings when I'm walking around, so you can see it slowly cranking up the ISO, or cranking down the ISO in this case. But my point is that I am gonna try to go outside my comfort zone, even though I'm rambling. Okay, so now I'm in Aloe. I found a bra that I liked at Lulu, but I want a medium and they only have a large. So I'm about to try on some workout gear and see. I'm not the biggest fan of Aloe's workout gear, but I saw some cute things, so we'll see. So I actually really liked kind of the little suit set that they had in there, the green one. It wasn't cute enough for me to say, you know what, let me give you $225 for this. So the search continues. I really honestly don't need any activewear. Activewear is just kind of like something I enjoy buying because I love working out, and especially considering the workout slump I was in. It's a nice new activewear. It's a nice little medicine CPR, but not necessary. So I may just go ahead and order the bra that I saw at Lulu, and also order the other pantsuits. I just had my first person stare at me while I was vlogging, so that was kind of cool because now it's like you kind of break the ice. Maybe I'll go in Fabletics.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let